if I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home, when I'm just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of the nightmare. I'm begging for help, begging for hope. Just need to open my eyes down to try to change the sunshine, to be someone among other I can try. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't
Mind the window up there.